Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Have a very exciting new episode for you guys. I'm going to go over our new line of mattresses that we brought in, one of several, but the one I'm most excited about, Bed Tech. These are great mattresses, great price points. This is a 12-inch hybrid. Remember, hybrid meaning memory foam on top, still has inner springs underneath, has that pocketed coil so it gives you individualized support for you or your partner. Also has gel memory foam in it. This is a 12-inch mattress. Then you step down over to this guy. This is the Tranquility 10-inch gel memory foam, straight up memory foam mattress, no inner spring. So it has that traditional memory foam feel, kind of sinking in. Feels great, very supportive mattress. This is the new line from Bed Tech. If I had to give these out of a crown rating, I'd probably give these both a 4 out of 5 crowns. They are a little bit in the mass market area, so they are lower in price, but the quality is still there. 10-year manufacturer's warranty on both. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment at the bottom. See you guys next week.